Hello, our names are Leah and Jessica. This week, my parents are in town from Florida with some other family members. So we spent a lot of time with them at the lake and some of our close neighbors.
Ready?
See? Good boy. Why do you carry it like that, Presley? Oh, good boy. She's giving you another one. Go get it, puppy. Go!
Today we can burn that down. You send that to Tucker. I'm sorry, Coco. Nick Tucker Cole. Nick Tucker Cole.
Andy and Kristen. Puppy, wait. Wait. Come here. Go, puppy. Oh no, Presley! The wind! Good boy, Presley! Who's that? Who's that?
It's much warmer in Florida than here.
Oh, you did that so much differently than Debbie. Good job, Mom.
There you go. Good boy. That's a good That's what we're doing. What? That's the way we do it, right, Gary? Right? That's the way we do it. Isn't it, right? That fucker, the jumbo. This goes on top of it. Not till the end of it. Put out of the way. No,
you gotta go!
Come here. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. Don't come in the water.
Dad, I see them right. Oh! What? Oh, the
No
lens.
fucking way.
Don't move.
Let me take this.
Don't.
That's not cool. This could be a long drive home. We're gonna find it.
Are you okay?
Don't muck it up.
Yeah, I just like we were
How the fuck did the lens come out?
Do we have a phone with a flashlight, anybody?
How did that pop out?
Where did the glasses?
Oh, it's too dark.
Is tonight supposed to be the first night of the meteor shower?
Oh, that one's going away.
I need to get so there's not. Wow, the catfish.
Oh, you better start the. Oh, you already started.
Quick, there's right under you, Leah. Oh yeah, Leah has quite the view. We're at Pam's house. We paddled over here and we are making peppered vodka. So we cut peppers and we put them in vodka and they soak for a while. But we didn't have time for them to soak for our drinks today. So we smushed them and crushed them up and then shook them up with the vodka, Tito's. And now we have a Bloody Mary. Cheers. Gross, I hate Bloody Mary. Leah hates Bloodies, but Pam and I, we are fans.
About 3/4 of this. One. Oh my god.
Stop.
2.
These are much bigger.
Well, they're cool, I'm looking. Starting their legacy. That's gonna be a fun fire. Thank you so much for watching. Join us next week to see more lake adventures.